Marine creatures, restoring nature and rebalancing the environment. Sea turtles. Sea turtles play a crucial role in maintaining coral reefs and seagrass beds by grazing on them as part of their diet and contributing to the overall cleanliness of the marine environment. Additionally, sea turtles help regulate jellyfish populations, ensuring a balanced ecosystem. Coral reefs. While not living organisms themselves, coral reefs are considered vital ecosystems in the oceans. Coral reefs improve water quality and enhance biodiversity, absorbing carbon dioxide and providing shelter for fish and other marine life. Coral reefs serve as a significant source of sustenance for numerous marine organisms that reside and feed within this ecosystem. Whales. Whales regulate the populations of other marine animals, primarily feeding on fish and smaller marine creatures. Moreover, whales contribute to nutrient transfer between different ocean layers, thus aiding in rebalancing and improving the ecosystem. Phytoplankton. Phytoplankton plays an essential role in oxygen production through photosynthesis, contributing to enhanced air quality on Earth. Phytoplankton serves as a primary food source for many marine organisms, such as fish, shrimp and snails, forming the foundation of the marine food chain. Sea stars. Sea stars assist in controlling sea urchin populations, which can cause significant damage to coral reefs by consuming them. Sea stars play a role in recycling organic matter on the seafloor, contributing to the health of the marine ecosystem. Jellyfish. Jellyfish feed on zooplankton and small fish, aiding in population control and maintaining the balance of the marine ecosystem. Jellyfish contribute to the recycling of organic matter on the seafloor, ensuring the health of the marine environment. Clownfish. Clownfish and anemones engage in a remarkable symbiotic relationship, where the anemone provides protection from predators in exchange for the clownfish's waste products as food. Clownfish play a crucial role in maintaining the health of anemones, which serve as habitats for numerous marine organisms. Pufferfish. Armed with an ingenious defense mechanism, the pufferfish can inflate its body and release a toxic substance from its skin when threatened, deterring potential predators. Pufferfish contribute to controlling predator populations, ensuring a balanced marine ecosystem. Mangrove trees. Thriving in coastal regions, mangrove forests provide essential habitats for a diverse array of marine life, including fish, shrimp and snails. Mangrove trees act as natural barriers, protecting coastlines from erosion and playing a vital role in absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Sea urchins. Grazers of the seafloor, sea urchins feed on algae, helping to control its growth and prevent it from smothering coral reefs. Sea urchins play a significant role in recycling organic matter on the seafloor, contributing to the overall health of the marine ecosystem. Crabs. Nature's scavengers. Crabs consume dead animals and decaying organic matter, aiding in the cleanup of the seafloor and maintaining a healthy marine environment. Crabs contribute to the recycling of organic matter on the seafloor, providing essential nutrients for other marine organisms. Oysters. Filter feeders par excellence, oysters consume zooplankton, effectively filtering and improving water quality. Oysters play a role in recycling organic matter on the seafloor, providing nutrients for other marine organisms. Dolphins. Agile hunters of the sea, dolphins prey on fish and squid, helping to regulate their populations and maintain a balanced marine ecosystem. Dolphins serve as important sentinels of marine health, capable of detecting changes in the environment and alerting scientists to potential threats. These are just a few examples of the countless marine creatures that play vital roles in maintaining ecological balance. Every living being in the ocean, no matter how small or large, contributes a unique piece to the intricate tapestry of the marine ecosystem. Protecting and conserving these valuable organisms is essential for preserving the health and sustainability of our marine environment.